老子在《道德经》中说，老子 said in the 道德经，道生一，一生二，二生三，三生万物。道 gives birth to one, one gives birth to two, two gives birth to three, and three gives birth to all things. He described the relationship between Tao and life in vivid but simple language. From this understanding and from our own experience, we see that the world is getting more and more complex. More things are created, more technologies are developed, more of this, more of that, more and more. But are we better off with more? Will it ever be enough? Are we satisfied? Content? Are we really happy? Or do we keep wanting more? Why not simplify? Let go of wanting. We can quiet our minds and settle into the stillness within. We simplify to connect with our origin. Simplify and merge with oneness. To do this, we meditate. We open our hearts and connect with Tao. Only here will we ever find true peace and lasting satisfaction. This is the purpose of our world meditation on the 5th of March. Wherever you are across the globe, please join me live. My name is Jing. Let's simplify our minds, open our hearts, and go back to the state of oneness together.